What's up, beautiful people of the internet? It's your girl Nasamasi, but if you like it, you can call me Crazy Baby. So if you're new here, welcome to the Crazy Gang, and remember to subscribe. So according to the title of the video, of course you're here because of the title of the video. Today I'm doing a mini sneakers haul that I bought in Eastleigh today, and I'm also showing you where I bought them, and I'm also giving you the contact of the seller, so please stick in till the end of the video. Anyway, let's get into the video. So guys, the name of the building is called Olympics Mall. If you want to go get sneakers, high heels, handbags, you can get them in this mall. So shop yenye nilikuwa nimeenda ilikuwa shop number F67, and they have really amazing customer care services, and they have really amazing shoes. They have flat shoes, they have heels, so kulingana na kenye unataka. They also have sneakers, boots. It's just according to what you want. Ukienda ulizie kenye wewe unataka, as long as you have a picture of what you want, they will deliver it to you. I also have their number. They also deliver countrywide. So if you want any of their shoes, contact them with the number that I'll give you at the end of the video. Yo, so guys, I'm telling you, these shoes are giving. They're giving the vibe. They're giving. Anyway, so shoe number 1 that I bought, nilekewa ututu mini ni moja tu nilekewa kwa box. So shoe number 1 that I bought was this, and literally this shoe is amazing. So I wear number 39, and this shoe is just cute. It's just nice, and I've been wanting it for quite some time now, and I'm happy that I bought it. So even though inakaa, the sole, the shoe is legit, you guys. So literally that's how they are looking. So hii zikiwa hivi, I bought them at 1600, and I think the price is quite fair. The price is quite fair. Nilifanya a discount by the way, so watch until the end of the video. So let me give you a tour. So yeah, that is how shoe number 1 is looking like. So in the comment section below, please tell me shoe gani imekubamba according to the hiyo shoe yenye nataka kuonyesha. That was the first shoe I chose, and it's because I fell in love with it. Like, black goes so well with everything. So shoe number 2 that I bought, it is this but I bought this one. I have an idea of how to, like, that is how the shoe is looking like all around. And literally this shoe I bought it at 1600 also. You know, nilienda kubuy ile design ya ati I'm buying things to go sell, to go like resell them. Na nafaa kufungua kuanza kuuza viatu, because imagine this shoe at 1600 Kenyan shillings. It's so nice. Let me show you the other one. Like, I needed sneakers. Literally, I needed sneakers, and I have now, and I'm like, every month I will be buying 2 or 3 sneakers so that I can like update my shoe game, because my shoe game is very poor. Like, very poor. Like, my shoe game is very poor, I know. So that is how inaka. I don't know if the nini is giving justice. I don't know if, how will I say? I don't know if the camera is doing justice to this shoe, but that is how I bought it. So the last shoe that I bought, afadhali ilikuja na box. I was looking for a shoe that I can wear every day. I'm obsessed with wearing like when I have an errand and I really need to go and it's something. This shoe, like there is a history to like this shoe. Nionyeshe kwanza kwa box. Inakaa hivi. Nini yake inakaa sijui ni rubber. Yeah. Ni rubber. There is a shoe similar to this yenye my aunt gave me. My aunt and my best friend. Shout out to you, GD. She gave me, and when I was losing weight, because I was in a weight loss journey, I also lost some fat in my legs. Sijui if that thing, I didn't know that thing is actually like possible. It is something that like happens. So I decided to buy a similar shoe because these shoes are very comfortable and very nice to walk with and very fashionable and very nice. As you can see, the sole is rubber. Alafu material ya mbele inakaa hivi. So hii ndo nilifanyiwa discount. Instead ya kuniuzia 1600, aliniuzia 1300, akanitolea a whole 300. So in all of the shoes I spent total like 4500, and yeah, so inakaa hivi. Inakaa hivi. Sorry. Inakaa hivi. So that's how it's looking. I will give you a small review. I will do a 360 with the shoes so that mtaona vile inakaa. Anyway, that is it. Like hizo ndo zenye nilibuy, and I'm very happy that I can I can invest in myself. I can invest for myself, and I'm very proud of myself. And actually, you don't know, tumetoka mbali. You don't know, tumetoka mbali. Anyway, kama hii video imekubamba, please remember to subscribe. Road to 5k subscribers, please. Simonifikisha 5k subscribers before I get to my birthday. My birthday is next month, date 13. So please get me to 5k, please. Please, I'll be happy. That will be the best birthday gift ever. So please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye bye.